Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video for this month of June. So in the month of June, I'm actually going to be doing my first impressions on the YouTube creators that's actually got a collaboration with the makeup brand. So in today's video, we'll be doing a first impressions and review on this palette from Morphe X Manny Mua Glam palette. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out what my thoughts are on this palette from Morphe X Mua Glam palette and if it's worth getting it, please keep on watching. Morphe X Manny Mua. I'm just reading the descriptions on the Morphe brushes website. Are you ready to go glam with Manny Mua? This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable, anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes with two stunning highlighters. The palette is a matte peach cream. The Scorpio is a shimmering warm gold. The Far Witch is the matte coral. The Layer is a shimmering bronze. Sophie is a matte toasted almond. Spellbound is a matte rosewood. Cancer is a shimmering plum. Zaya is a matte cappuccino. Boy Next Door is a matte caramel. Gamenta is a matte magenta. Aries is a shimmering peacock. Ho is a matte chocolate. This is Apollo. Apollo is a golden apricot shimmer. The Nova is the gleaming pink pearl. In the Urban Decay eye primer. Setting the primer on my eyes using the Kat Von D loose powder in translucent. Powdery guys. In excess is Boy Next Door as my transition shade, using the same brush for setting my primer, which is the Morphe E27, which this is not as much powdery as the Boy Next Door. Okay, I'm just gonna be applying this just above my crease and I'm actually just pressing the product in. My Morphe M433, just blending it in using a wiping motion to blend these eyeshadows, and they're actually buildable with that brush, the Morphe E27, and also using the Boy Next Door. I'm just blending the edges, making sure they blend nicely using the shade here, Gamenta. This one is not as powdery too guys, which is really good, and I'm just gonna be applying this just above my crease here using the Morphe 506. Bit of dimension on my eyelid. The type of shades eyeshadows that I'll be wearing a lot. This shade here guys called the Cancer. Flat brush like this. It's actually not grabbing a lot of product in guys. With the Max Fix Plus. See if it's gonna give me pigment. I'm gonna go into the shade here called Howl, the dark brown shade, Morphe M213. Okay, this shade's a little bit powdery guys. So I'm just gonna go in Okay, first, okay, I'm just gonna be packing this very slowly. Okay, I'm just gonna be using as a liner all out on my under eyes, lashes on. I use the same brush and the same shades on my bottom lashes. In the corner, I'll be using this shade here called the Scorpio brush from Morphe. Okay, this is actually here. This has got pigment, guys. Just applying this a little bit here. And then on my brow bone, just using like another flat brush from Morphe, the Apollo highlighter, and I'll be applying this. I'll be adding this on my brow bone. Mix them together. I'm gonna mix these two highlighters together. Okay, the highlighters are actually not that powdery. Yeah, it's a beautiful shades, guys. You can see it's beaming them up. On my bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. This palette here is actually got a very nice packaging. It's got the Morphe X Manny Mua Glam palette, and you've actually got 12 months to use this this palette, guys, from the first day that you've started using it. And it's also got a mirror. Gonna be an additional benefit on this palette too, because it's got a mirror. So you can actually take this, you know, when you're traveling, actually see the name of the actual shade. I actually love this palette, guys, and I'm really happy how my eyeshadows turned out today. Some of the shades are a little bit powdery, but they're actually buildable. You just need to tap the excess. Other than that, the eyeshadows are quite pigmented, and it's also easy to blend. In trouble is this shade here, which is the shade Cancer. So I find that with the shimmer shades, you actually need to spray them with the MAC Fix Plus, or you can just wet your brush, or you'll be able to get that pigment that you're after. I mean, the highlighter actually a really subtle highlighter, and I find the highlight is actually buildable. If you guys haven't tried this palette, or if you're looking for something new, I highly recommend it for you guys to try this, because I've actually loved this palette. So I'm really amazed that these colors actually really popped out really well. It's just I've actually loved these shades. So even this eye makeup look, I can wear this day or night look. If you guys use this palette already, I would like to hear your I would like to hear from you guys. Let me know what video you want to watch next, and thank you so much for everyone who's subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. See you guys soon on my next video for this month of June. Get to like and share this video. I love you guys.